Hello, respectable audience. I have a new question for you. X power p divided by x power q whole power p plus q. Similarly, y power q divided by y power r whole power q plus r. Z power r, z power p, r plus p, times xp of x power q square times y power I r square and z power t square. And we have to prove that this all expression is equal to x power p square times x power q square times x power z square. So we have taken left-hand side. Now we solve it left-hand side, and our answer should be this one, which is our right-hand side. So, as we know that, in this case, bases are same, means we have a rule. If we have a or m divided by a per m, then we can write it a par m minus n. So apply this rule to this one, we will get x per p, and it will be minus q.
And
P plus q. Similarly, apply this rule to this expression, we will get y power q minus r divided times q plus r. Similarly, apply this rule to this part, we will get z for r minus p r plus p times x par q square y par r square and z par p square. Now we know a formula which is a minus b times a plus b will be equal to a square minus b square. So apply this formula to this part. We will get x square e square minus u square. Similarly, we will get y power q minus r q plus r will be equal to q square minus r square. And again, we will get z power r square minus p square. X square 2 square times y power r square times z power p square. Now, note that this is, here is base x and here also base x. So we will apply a rule, and the rule is a power m times a power n. Here bases are same, so when bases are same, we will add the parts. So it will become m plus n. So apply this rule to above one, we will get, here is x and here is x, so we will add these two terms. So x plus me square minus q square, and here is plus q square. Similarly, this is y and this is also y. In this case, bases are same, so combine these, we will get y power q square minus r square, and here is plus r square. Similarly, z, this is z, and it is also z. Combine these two terms, we will get z the power r square minus p square plus p square. Now, simplify it. We will get minus q square and plus q square are cancelled. And here minus r square and plus r square are cancelled. And minus p square and plus p square are cancelled, so we will get x square p square times y par u square times z par r square, which is our right-hand side, because we have to prove this one. X par p square times y par q square times z par r square, and we have proved the same, which is our right-hand side. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.